Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to use Alexa on your Android phone in 2025. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps or just want a smarter way to handle your daily tasks, Alexa is your go-to virtual assistant. By the end of this video, you'll be commanding Alexa like a pro. First things first, make sure you have an Android phone running the latest OS. Think Android 14 or higher for optimal performance. You'll also need the Alexa app, which is free on the Google Play Store. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Download and install the Alexa app from the Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have one, it's quick to create. Trust me, it's worth it for all the perks in 2025. Step 2. Grant the necessary permissions. Alexa needs access to your microphone, contacts, and location to work its magic. Don't worry, it's all secure and helps with personalized responses. After that, go through the setup wizard. It might ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi and even link other smart devices if you have them. Now, for the fun part, using Alexa. Simply say, "Alexa," to wake her up, then give commands like "play my favorite playlist" or "set a reminder for my meeting." In 2025, Alexa has even smarter features, like integrating with your calendar for seamless scheduling or controlling your smart home devices hands-free. If you run into issues, like Alexa not responding, check your internet connection or restart the app. Pro tip: customize your wake word in the settings for a more personalized experience. There you have it. Using Alexa on your Android phone is easier than ever in 2025. It saves time and adds convenience to your life. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Alexa command. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.